In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card to your PayPal account. Having a credit card linked to PayPal is a convenient way to manage your payments online, providing flexibility and an extra layer of security. Whether you're shopping online or sending money to friends, linking a credit card can make the process much smoother. So, let's walk through this step-by-step guide together. First, you'll need to head over to your PayPal homepage. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the menu where you'll find an option labeled Wallet. This is where PayPal lets you manage your cards and bank accounts. Give that a click. Once you're in the Wallet section, you'll notice it's a hub for all your linked financial instruments. Now, you'll see an option that says Send Payments. This might seem a bit unrelated, but don't worry, it's just a part of navigating the wallet area to where we need to go. Next, look for the option that allows you to link a new card. Specifically, you'll want to select Link an eligible debit card or bank. It's right there as a prompt to add new payment methods. After that, find the option that reads Link an eligible debit card. This is a precursor step that ensures the card you're about to add complies with PayPal's guidelines. Most credit cards do, so you should be all set. We're nearly there. Now you'll see Link a card. Clicking this will bring up a form where you'll need to input your card details. Make sure to have your card handy because you'll need to enter the card number, expiration date, billing address, and security code. Take your time with this step and double check all the information to avoid any errors. Finally, once you've entered all the necessary details, click Link Card. At this stage, PayPal might want to confirm your card information. Sometimes they might make a small refundable charge just to verify that everything is working as it should. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your credit card to your PayPal account. You can now enjoy more seamless transactions and added convenience whenever you use PayPal for your online purchases and payments. If you encounter any issues along the way, PayPal support resources are just a click away to guide you. Thanks for following along, and happy shopping.